Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go. This is how to fabricate a luxury jeweler box made by Celestine, the actor of Ghana. Let's go.
From Ghana.
Oh my God, so mistake. Where you from? Where you from, bro? You are from America. Ah, come around, okay? Hello, bro. This is easy how to make this jeweler box, bro. How you can fabricate this? Hey.
Just some small assembling and
Okay.
with some good primer from
Yes.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Make everything
Yes.
smooth
Yeah.
and clean.
How much price, my friend? This one will be fabricate one set for the jewel bag.
150.
1,050.
Only 150.
Only for fabricate, ah.
Yes.
But if you sell all this one set, maybe around 1,500, right? Because it's the luxury.
It's very luxury.
Yes.
All
Because
your gold, silver,
yeah.
diamond inside.
Yes. Because only the top coat is the very expensive top coat. Very expensive. Maybe 1 liter around uh 150. Only 1/4. Sorry. And also this gun is a drawer. It's two guys. And also this is the drawer of this luxury jewelry box. As you can see, it's very nice. You see the gloves and also the fabric. It's the synthetic fabric. This is made in Germany, right? Yeah. Right. Yes. Yeah. Also here is our boss. This guy is always drinking Daro, right? Hey, hey man, and also this guy. You can see, let's go. Come inside, you can see the top. Hey, this is the top. The jewelry box. So we put, this is the crystal clear glass. As you can see. Oh, very nice. After we are fixing the drawer, so this is materials they were sending in Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. This is the order.
This is your YouTube channel, Jojo.
Okay. So we need to finish jewelry box. Otherwise, not finished, we not give our salary. Okay, thank you. God bless. Please subscribe my channel. This is Jojo Sahonya from Rapid Out Dubai. Thank you.